How's it going, guys? Another removal today, and this is pretty interesting. It's gonna be a fun job. Me and my wife's jetter starting up my LLC, starting up with my first client here in Kauai, and I'm gonna show you the way. I figure it's better to park over here by the street, and then I just open this path all the way to that base, which is an eucalyptus, really tall, but also big lean. That's the top of the eucalyptus. And then there's that second one over there by the fence, and another third one with a harsh bark on the right side. And I'll show you closer. So this is one of the base of the eucalyptus, and look at this lean. It totally bends all over the top, and it goes right up the fence. That's the only structure we don't want to damage today. But this is not going to be my first removal. I'm going to throw the ball line, the throw line. This is another tree. I'm going to remove a little bit of lean. I'm going to climb up there and take from the top to not damage this fence. And this is the main one. We want to take all this over the fence and take the whole tree down, but I'm gonna start from those branches, rigging them from that tie-end point and anchor point for the rigging line. I'm gonna spike up and do this job first. And look, the other lean. The eucalyptus goes all the way, and it even crosses the fence from so far. It's crazy. Canopy tight right there. I'll get up there and tie my rigging anchor now. Spike up, and I'll untie that and cinch the trunk when I'm coming down. Hopefully within the next couple hours. Here we go. Here we go, another removal. I'm all set with my lifeline. That's the tie-end point for my lifeline. I'm gonna need to ring those branches. I can cut some. I don't want to hurt this fence. I want to cut some of that and let it fall to the right in the property, and then I will cut some of those and try to do a little fun rigging from that anchor point, swinging these branches over to this side of the fence. Here we go. I'm gonna spike up this eucalyptus with my, just trying a few times this rope runner pro. Still gotta get mine, by the way. I might get this one used from a friend. Spike this eucalyptus first time. It's kind of pretty good soft bark to spike. It's called it gum tree. Beautiful, pretty nice bark to spike. Easy, it goes through easy. This is the first division I'm gonna cross, and then I need to pass this lanyard first before I untie this lanyard. And at the same time, I'm tied up there. It's pretty safe. This is such a big lean. It's leaning that way, so I'm totally spiking from behind. Really more comfortable and the only way possible. Yeah, such a big lean. I'm gonna set up the rigging line first before I cut anything. I wanna go up there first. I'm gonna start working on this side of the tree, and I figure from the top here I might as well just drop it It's way passing the fence. So I'm gonna just drop this one down there, and then probably from the top here, same thing, just drop it. I just rig a couple branches with my Pro-Sick and carabiner. Using this rigging rope, I just rig a couple branches down. Here, so you guys can see. Sorry you guys cannot see the cuts in the swing, but when I got a GoPro, you guys are gonna see that. So this is the Pro-Sick. I swing the branch from this trunk over to this side of the fence, just because I want it. I want to carry less branches later, so I'm gonna throw it right there. Perfect shot. Those branches just came down inside the property, not hitting the fence, so that's good. Now this whole side is almost done. Just gonna trunk it down. Still gonna just free fall this one, and then practice a little snap cut going down this way. Do some snap cuts to hold it and have control over the fence, and then throw that way. All's been good for now. These 2-in-1 lanyards are really good, but having a really hard time when I need to adjust and get closer to the trunk to adjust with this. Really need a zigzag, something easy like this metal lanyard here. Just pull one side and it's way easier to adjust towards the trunk. Here we are, coming down. Look the view, ocean view. Some snap cut. Just do a one cut straight to the halfway. Another cut going past a little bit, 1 inch apart. And then you just snack it with your hands and throw it wherever you want. All right. All the topping is done. Now just gotta cut the logs down. The top is done. No damage. Oh, slippery. Slippery spurs. Didn't hit the fence once. That's the last branch. I tied running bow line right there while I was all the way to the top in the other tree, but I might just free fall that one. It's really leaning this way, but I'm gonna figure it out if I'm gonna rig that branch down first, take this weight off this side to fall that way, or if I'm just gonna cut the bottom and really trust that that's gonna go that way and not gonna hit the fence. Stoked. Finishing the first one.
Que tem a fazer tudo, ou quase tudo, o homem, a obra divina, na rua a obra do homem, cheiro de gás, o asfalto fervendo, o sol batendo, o sol batendo, o sol batendo, o sol batendo.